In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs. If you're working on a document and your table needs a little more space, Google Docs makes it very easy to add extra rows or columns exactly where you need them. This is useful if you forgot to include a category, need to add more data, or simply want to reorganize your table without starting over. To begin, go to your Google Doc and open the document that contains the table you want to edit. Make sure you can see the table clearly on the page, because the next step depends on choosing the correct spot inside it. If your table has a lot of information in it already, take a second to identify where you want the new row or column to appear. That will help you place it correctly on the first try. Next, right-click in the table where you want to add or remove a column or row. The exact cell you click in matters because Google Docs uses that location to determine where the new row or column should go. So if you want to insert something near the top of the table, click in a cell close to that area. If you want to add something toward the end, right-click in one of the cells near the bottom or on the side where you want the change to happen. Once you right-click, a menu will appear with several table editing options. From there, you can choose the action that matches what you want to do. If you need a new horizontal line of cells, click Insert Row above or Insert Row below. If you need a new vertical set of cells, click Insert Column to the left or Insert Column to the right. The option you choose depends on where you want the new space to appear relative to the cell you selected. For example, Insert Row above places a new row directly above the current one, while Insert Column to the right adds a new column immediately to the right of the selected cell. This gives you a quick way to expand your table without affecting the rest of your document layout too much. If you also need to remove a row or column, you can use the same right-click menu to make that change from the table area as well. Just be careful before removing anything, especially if the cells already contain important information. And that's all it takes to add another row or column to a table in Google Docs. Once you know where to right-click and which insert option to choose, updating your table becomes fast and simple.